Now this is my kind of designated ride. When in Bowling Green, you gotta do it in a Corvette. Remember, never drink and drive.
Kyle.
Well, hello there, Carrie.
Did you just pull up in a Corvette?
As a matter of fact, I did.
That was a fancy car.
Well, we're in Bowling Green. I wasn't gonna drive, so that's the best thing to take a ride in, right? So where you got me?
This is a preservation tasting room, and this is one of the top tasting rooms in the country, Kyle.
That was your expedition today.
Well, I explored some of the most beautiful places here in Bowling Green. I took a paddle on Drake's Creek and I learned about the geology. And then I went underground at Lost River Cave.
And you didn't get lost.
I did it in some natural air conditioning.
Oh, that does sound good. Well, while you were out there spelunking, I went to a winery and learned about some science. And then I went to learn how to make my own home brew, which I'm gonna do.
Oh.
And then after that, well, I went to White Squirrel and it was a good day. Fun stuff.
And you know what the best part was, Kyle? I solved the riddle.
What?
Whiskey Run flows right through the middle of downtown Bowling Green, and they used it during Prohibition to smuggle bootleg whiskey.
Cheers to you for finally getting a riddle right.
Oh, this is number 2, Kyle.
Whatever. Yeah.
Kyle.
People need to come here and check this out.
They absolutely
It's a fun town. There's a lot to do.
I think we can drink on that. Until next time.
We'll see you
Downstream.
downstream.